Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So if this is the first time you visit my YouTube channel and you'd love to see more vlogs like this, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below so I can know what y'all thinking. So for this week's vlog video, I'll be making a random call to one of my best friends. Now we just gonna have a random conversation. And we are going to see where this will go. Alright, you ready?
No.
What you mean you're not ready?
We're not ready.
Me not give you more time to get ready and when you're still not ready.
No.
What you over there do?
Living my best life.
Where are they get nervous?
No.
I'm nervous, you know.
Not at all.
So you're not ready yet?
Alright.
A Facebook Live me there on you.
Huh?
Facebook Live it I got there on you.
Facebook Live?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, tell.
Yeah man, I'll go live.
You, what?
Yeah.
That was not the plan.
What you mean that I know the plan? Me not tell you say that didn't go happen.
But you say that go video yourself and edit it and whatnot.
Listen, in a showbiz, you have to prepare for changes.
No, this is not preparing for no damn change.
We are preparing for life.
No.
What you mean though? We are going to go live and do it.
The hell?
So get yourself ready.
No, this is not what we planned. We're supposed to video, do and stop, do trial and error and all them things there.
No, right now I'm feel like a freestyle. I'm there I drink a Red Bull. So I'm jittery.
What?
I'm there I drink a Red Bull, so I'm jittery. But I have energy, so I feel like, you know?
But me don't have no energy. What the hell? Where does man come from the backside? About damn energy.
But, alright. Yeah, do you have plan to get a YouTube channel? Yeah, you have plan to kick off a YouTube channel, right? What you plan to name it? Now the Taletha show.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, so you have to be like ready, you know? Me I prepare you for life right now.
Alright, man. Sure.
Alright, me now I'm about to go live.
You ready?
Me now I'm about to go live.
No, man, we're gonna go live. We're ready.
Me now I'm about to go live.
We're ready.
Me nervous.
Huh?
Me nervous.
How the hell you just talk me into it?
The Red Bull
The
Red Bull I wear off.
Oh God. Alright, let's go. Come. I must have to before if we think about it, we're not gonna do it, so come.
The video been a record long time, man.
Yo!
The video been a record long time.
I joke you make.
It been a record long time. From me call you. Anyways, you can properly introduce yourself though.
No, can we stop the recording and do it over again?
We can't
Take
do it
that
over.
out of the video.
No, this is the realest part. This is the realest part. Come here, get a real reaction.
No, Rushawn, take it out the video.
My name Rush-Dem Rushawn on camera, alright? Get it right.
Rush-Dem.
Yeah.
Stop it. I want you to edit this out.
No, this not edit out.
Alright, I'm gonna hang up and we're gonna call back
No.
and start over.
We already depend it right now.
My youth, on what?
Me already a record.
That's what I said, stop it.
Me nah stop. What me I stop it for?
You're gonna hang up And call me back.
No.
I'm doing this right.
This is all for do it. This is all for this other. Why you want to script the thing?
Fine. Unless you want to put this at the end.
Yeah, me put it at the end.
Oh, alright, let's start over.
Alright, let's start over.
Let me hang up and call me back.
Alright, hang up and call it back.
Yes.
Alright, man, hang up and call it back. She want me hang up and call her back. She never ready for that one, the people.
I'm ready.
Alright, let's begin. Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Lady T.
What the T stand for?
None of your business.
But me I got tag you in this, so what the T stand for?
Alright, Lady T stands for Taletha.
Alright, so Taletha, what you do though?
Well, I am a talk show host of my online show called The Taletha Show.
Alright, Taletha Show. I'm gonna leave that in the link.
Thank you very much.
Yeah man, and go over there go support the Taletha Show. What is the show about though? Just to give like a quick summary.
Well, the show is I talk about different topics that you face. I interview people, and I just make a show to encourage, inspire, and uplift someone's day.
Alright.
Help them to get through life.
That's
Give
so.
them the tools they need.
That sound good.
Thank you.
Alright, where the best place we can find you when you do that show there?
On Facebook, on my fan page, The Taletha Show. I'm also on Instagram, The Taletha Show.
Alright.
Yes, and you can email me at taletha93@gmail.com.
Alright.
And to spell Taletha is Taletha.
See it there?
Because I know
Alright.
some people might not know how to spell it, so I gotta put it out there.
That's true. Like me never know if to spell it. Taletha show up on Monday.
Sunday.
Taletha show up on Tuesday.
Sunday.
Taletha show up on Wednesday.
Why I give false information?
Taletha show up on Thursday.
Man.
Taletha show up on Friday.
Man, don't give the wrong people the information, you know. The wrong information.
When are the Taletha show?
Sunday,
Sunday at what time?
8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Get it
sharp.
right.
8 p.m. sharp.
Yes.
You sure
Sharp
so when
like
we go there?
knife.
When we go there 8 p.m. you go live?
Yes.
What gonna be the topic for this week? Just to give it.
Okay, this week's topic is called breaking barriers.
Breaking barriers. Sound very interesting.
It is. It's gonna be a fun time. Night of worship. We're tackling a lot of information that you can use in your life. So it's about breaking and letting go of things that keep us from having a relationship with God, things that will hinder our future success, breaking generational curses off of ourselves and future children, and breaking off barriers in relationships that could be friendships, family members, or a partner that can hold us back, teaching that sometimes people aren't meant to be in your life forever, and that's okay. They didn't waste your time, and you have to know when to let go.
I like that.
I just want you to know that you are
Alright.
the best annoying person in my life.
For real?
Yes.
Oh God.
I had to let it out there.
Oh God.
Yeah. Yes.
That means a lot to me.
Yes.
You know, me always try for annoying people, but I'm glad to say me are the best annoying person in your life.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Respect my name.
Alright, you don't being dramatic now.
Kevin Hart don't got nothing on you.
You don't be dramatic now.
I'm done.
You done?
Yes.
Alright.
Love you, fam.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And tell Daddy Rush-Dem hi.
Amen.
I know, we're not getting this amen, okay?
Amen.
Fruit.
Come ever say amen or I say now go down. I mean, you got in a character now.
No, man, I'm in professional level.
Not be no professional with me. And me I talk to.
You say you can't please black people.
Well, just because you, what, 5% white, that's why?
Why can I get still I record?
Yeah, you're 5% white, that's why? Eh?
Take this off.
What?
You're gonna make the people think I'm racist. Take it off.
We are a joke, but
Eh?
nobody not gonna take this serious.
Hey, you're lying, right? You stop recording, right?
Yeah, but not record.
Okay. But I feel like you're lying.
Why, but I lie to you?
Yes, you were lying to me.
Really?
Yes.
That's the type of person you think, maybe?
Yes.
My earth right now. My earth right now.
You hurt?
Yes.
You should be. That's how me feel right now.
But you are hurt for.
Eh?
Now you are calling me liar.
I mean, I still love you.
Alright, me forgive you.
Oh, man. You have no choice.
Everybody
I'm
have
the only one who keeps up with your craziness.
yeah, sometimes I wonder why you're still there, but maybe you not so right either.
Obia me.
Obia you?
Yes.
I don't believe in a obia.
You sure? You look like an obia.
Me look like a obia? And that you really say?
Yeah.
And that you really say a while ago?
Yeah.
Alright then. It's alright, me have something for you, you know.
Oh yeah, I do.
Me go post this. The first part of the video. Me go post the first part of the video, that's what me I go do.
No! Hello.
More you apologize right now.
I never say you wicked, you know.
You have to apologize right now for calling me a obia man.
I never say you're an obia man.
They say me look like they obia me.
Me say you look like
That's
obia.
even worse. What if you tell somebody so they look like they obia you? That's even worse. They say obia, that's why I look so. That's even worse.
Yes,
And then you talk about me mean.
I was right.
That's one of the worstest thing you can say to somebody. That's one of the worstest thing you can say to somebody. You look like them obia.
That's what you do.
No.
You get me angry and have me saying things, and then you laugh about it.
Me laugh?
And turn it back against me.
Me never do that.
You manipulate.
No, me bring out the true you.
No.
That's what I do.
You're a manipulator.
Me bring out the true you. That's what I do.
You don't bring out nothing.
So that's what I do.
Manipulation.
Me bring out the true person of who you are. That's the
like
type
that.
of person me be.
You
You know?
Stop to lie to the viewers.
I never lie to you. So don't bother go there.
That's a lie. It's right there.
Me never prove one time I lie to you. And name a lie me ever tell you.
One time you lied to me. There were so many times I can't even call.
But you can't name one liar.
Because there's so many times.
Because you can't name one.
Yes,
if me lie to you so many times and you can't name one, who are the liars?
Stop recording.
Who are the liars?
You just tell me say you stop recording and you never stop.
Me did tell you that? Me feel like so you're blind in your ears, you know, because
me feel like you're deaf in your eye.
You're blind in your ears then because
you're deaf in your eye.
You never hear me say nothing like that.
Yes, you tell me 2 times and you stop recording.
So you know some of these still a record?
Because I asked you, you said after laughing and saying yes, then you finally said no.
I don't remember that.
You never remember. That's your problem. Your memory about it.
Memory great, man.
Your memory bad.
You just always tell lie upon me for stuff for me don't do.
Remember what you say.
Always tell lie
And you
upon me.
always not have selective memory.
Listen, this is about me right now, not you.
Yes, about you with your selective memory.
So alright guys, more hope and enjoy the little talk, yeah. You know. Big up Taletha from the Taletha show for joining me. I really appreciate you keeping up with my madness for the last hour. You know. Anything for say Taletha?
Yes, if you like more videos like this, give us a like, comment below, and we'll be interacting with you in the comment section. That's the place where you can reach us and talk to us. We'd love to hear what you have to say. If you have any suggestions on the next video or topics that we should talk about, put it in the comment section. We'll be reading. One love, until next time.
Alright, me like that one. Me not have to say nothing more. She say everything what me there go say. And just remember to check the link them in the description, you know, and go over our page. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to my channel as well. You know, and she don't say the rest of it already, so.
Oh, one more.
Alright.
And make sure to subscribe and share this page so we can help to grow our family, because that's what we are. We're all in this together.
Alright, see it there. We're all in this together. And then, you know that song there? You know that song there?
No, but I was going to say.
You never watch High School Musical?
Family.
Hold on there. No. We'll stop. You never watch High School Musical?
I watch High School Musical.
So how you don't know that song there? How you don't know that song there?
I never keep into the songs like everybody else.
You're me disappointed in you right now.
I'm disappointed in myself too.
Anyways, alright, I'm getting that video here now.
Alright.
Yeah, man. And subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button. And leave a comment below so I can know what y'all thinking. Hold on, I'm thinking about it already. You just say with me. Jesus Christ. Never expect him for the right stuff. Okay.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.